Hi guys, welcome to my channel, My Simple Remedies. Today's recipe is of a hair mask. This hair mask is the most effective one, and the best thing about it is it has just 2 ingredients which are easily available. This hair mask will deep condition your hair, strengthen your hair roots, stop hair fall, and will make your hair long and lustrous. So before starting the video, press the like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get the latest updates on my videos. You will need fresh aloe vera gel. Extract the fresh aloe vera gel from the aloe vera plant. Aloe vera gel conditions and improves dry, damaged hair follicles. Add a half a cup of aloe vera gel into the blender. Now add 3 to 4 tablespoons of cold pressed virgin coconut oil. You can add the normal coconut oil as well, but to get the best results, I will recommend virgin cold-pressed coconut oil. It is made by pressing coconuts without generating any heat and chemicals, so it's in its pure form. Blend the mixture and you will get a white color hair oil. The next and most important step is application. Section your hair properly and apply this hair mask on your scalp. Sectioning hair properly is very important. Do it as I am doing. You have to apply it onto the roots into the scalp. Aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzymes, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair. When massaged into the scalp, cold-pressed coconut oil helps to improve blood circulation, supporting hair growth and stopping hair fall. Cold-pressed coconut oil's medium-chain fatty acids include lauric acid and capric acid. They have strong antiviral, antimicrobial, and antifungal properties, making it a better anti-dandruff alternative. The combination of these 2 strong natural ingredients will make your hair long and lustrous. You can use this remedy 3 times a week, and you will see the difference within a week. I hope you liked my video. Share it with your friends. And subscribe to my channel, My Simple Remedies. Thank you for watching.